Hi and welcome back. In this part, we are going to create the testimonial section of our landing page. So let's go and increase the size of our mobile frame and desktop frame. All right. Now let's pick the frame tool and draw a new frame inside our mobile screen. And let's rename it testimonial, and let's give it a left and right horizontal constraint. Right. Now let's go and the title here from our toner. Let's center the text and give it H2 as text style. All right, zoom out. Next, let's create the avatar of one of our customers. So pick the ellipse tool, hold shift, click and drag. Now the size will be 270 pixel by 270 pixel. All right, now let's go and add an image. So go to plugins and let's pick content trail, hit run. And let's go to the image tab, and here let's pick avatar female, and let's select this image. Right, let's pick the text tool, let's add this symbol. Right, let's give it primary color style and H1 as a text style. Next, let's create a new text layer. Right, this will be a H4, and I want to add some dummy text here. So let's go to content reel and add some lorem ipsum text, 20 words. Click to add, zoom out, and let's resize paragraph. All right, and here let's add this symbol. Right, let's add center as constraint, center. This also is center. All right, let's adjust the spacing. Now let's add another text, which is the author text, Cody Fisher, and the brand strategist of Headspace. And again, let's add another text for the company name, space. Let's change this to muted color style with a H6 center. Also will be, just select this part, it will be muted text and with H5, and this will be light text color with also H5. This may be H6. Let's keep it as H5 and center to the bottom. All right, now let's select all those 5 elements and hit Command G to group and rename it to testimonial item. Now let's create the navigation of our testimonials. So pick the ellipse tool and let's draw our first ellipse. Give it 20 by 20 size, and let's give it the color of light. Hit Command C and Command V to duplicate, and again Command C and Command V to duplicate. Second time. Now let's change it to muted text color, and let's center and center as a constraint. All right, was nav item 1, rename it to nav item 2. For the third one, nav item 3. All right, let's hide, and that looks great. Now let's do that for our desktop version. Let's see our grids. Let's go to the frame, click and drag to draw a new frame. Let's drag it to the bottom a little bit. Now let's copy those, all the testimonial elements of our mobile, hold Command and C, and select the frame and past. Now our frame, right. Let's move that to the top. Let's go back, Command C. Let's again draw a new frame like this to delete. This new frame will be outside of the content frame. Let's rename it to testimonials. All right, now let's copy the mobile testimonials elements. Command C and Command V. That's centered. All right, make sure it is well centered, and here to the center, also here to the center. Now for our testimonials avatar, let's move the avatar to the left and let's resize it to fit just 3 columns. And now for this symbol, I want it to be on the side of the 5th column. And for the text, let's adjust its style to H3 and resize and align it to the left. Change its style to the right. All right, that's great. Now for the next text layers, it's aligned to one line, align to the left, right, and the company name, headspace, also align it to the left, line left. Let's make some room for each layer. All right. Now here for the main frame of our testimonials, let's give it a left and right constraints. And for the navs button, let's move down top. All right, increase a bit the height of my testimonial. All right, that's great. Okay, let's see how that looks without the grid. And I think it looks nice for now. All right, also for our mobile, maybe this content part, let's move it to the top. Move it to the top, increase a bit like this, this down, this move it to the top. All right. Next, we are going to create the call to action section. Thanks, and I will see you in the next part.